Good morning, very good morning. Okay, good morning all. See, in the last session, actually, so 1 minute, 1 minute. Right. So in the last session, we left over here. This is log e to the base 10 x times log x minus, this is log e, log x upon e, comparing f of x equals to x by e. So therefore, f of x equals to x upon e. So fourth option is the right option. Next 75 questions. Integral e power x times secant x plus log of secant x plus tan x dx. First option, e power x times secant x plus c. Second, e power x cosecant x plus c. Third, e power x log of secant x plus tan x plus c. Fourth, minus e power x cosecant x plus c. Try this question. Here, we have one formula, e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equals to e power x into f of x. We can write answer. So here, this log of secant x plus tan x is f of x. So f of x is equal to log of secant x plus tan x. We need to verify that whether secant x is the derivative of log of secant x plus tan x or not. Yes, f dash x. The log of secant x plus tan x derivative is secant x only. So this is f of x, this is f dash x. So e power x into f of x. This will be f of x. So this is f dash x. So e power x into f of x plus f dash x. E power x into this one. So solution we shall get I equals to integral e power x into, we can write log secant x plus tan x plus secant x dx. This is e power x into secant x. Sorry, e power x into log of secant x plus tan x. Seventy-sixth, integral e power x into 1 plus log x.
Sir, once finish your previous page.
Okay. Upon x dx. First option, e power x minus log x upon x plus c. Second, e power x times 1 minus log x plus c. Third option, e power x times log x plus c. Fourth option, x e power x minus log x plus c.
Problem number 74, sir. Sir, problem number 74. Show next page, sir. Show next page. Okay, sir.
So now this can be written I equals to integral of e power x times, this is, sorry, this is x. X upon log x is log x plus 1 upon x dx, we can write it. See, f of x is equal to log x, f dash x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. This is f of x, this is f dash x. So e power x into f of x. So e power x into log x. So third option is the right option. '77. Integral e power minus x cosecant x into cot x plus 1 dx. First option, e power minus x cosecant x plus c. Second option, e power x cosecant x plus c. Third, negative e power minus x cosecant x plus c. Fourth,
Sir, once to previous page.
negative e power minus x cot x plus c.
Okay, sir.
So let's wait for 2 minutes. Actually, this pen is not working. I need to check. Okay. See, here we have, so one concept, integral e power minus x into f of x minus f dash x dx. If it is in this form, e power minus x into f of x into negative sign. So minus e power minus x f of x plus c, we can write it. So this is the concept we have. So accordingly, we need to write this integral. This I can be written integral e power minus x. See, this is cosecant x, cot x plus cosecant x into 1 cosecant x right off. Open the bracket. The derivative of cosecant x is, actually we have minus cosecant x cot x. So this can be written like this, e power minus x into cosecant x minus of minus cosecant x cot x dx. See, now if you say this is f of x, this will be f dash x. It appears to be rather e power minus x into f of x minus f dash x into dx. So minus e power minus x f of x plus c. So this is equal to negative e power minus x cosecant x plus constant of integration. Third option is the right option.
Answer show previous page, sir.
78.
Okay, sir.
Integral e power x tan x plus tan square x dx. First option, e power x times tan square x plus c. Second, e power x
Show
secant
previous
square
page, sir.
plus c. Third,
Sir, show previous page.
1 minute, e power x tan x plus c. Fourth one, e power x tan x minus 1 plus c. Right?
Okay, sir.
So now you see the solution here. So tan x derivative cannot be equal to tan square x. Tan square x derivative cannot be equal to tan x. So we need to do manipulation. Tan x or tan x plus something constant derivative is secant square x. So this tan square x we can write the tan square x we can write as secant square x minus 1. So now this integral becomes e power x tan x minus 1 plus secant square x dx. Secant square x minus 1 is tan square x. Again, this can be written e power x to tan x minus 1 is function plus secant square x. If you check, see, tan x minus 1 derivative is secant square x. Obviously, this is f of x. This will be f dash x. So our answer is e power x into f of x. So this is e power x times tan x minus 1 plus constant of integration. What option is the right option?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
'79. Integral of e power x times 1 minus cot x plus cot square x dx. First option, e power x cot x plus c minus e power x cot x plus c e power minus x cosecant x plus c. Fourth one, e power x cosecant x plus c. Here cot square x plus 1. See 1 plus cot square x. The 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. And also d by dx of minus cot x is also same cosecant square x. So this will be f of x, this will be f dash x. This we can write like this. I integral of e power x minus cot x plus 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x dx. See now, say this is f of x. So derivative of minus cot x is plus cosecant square x only. This is f dash x. Okay, now e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is e power x into f of x. So e power x multiplied by minus cot x. So minus e power x cot x plus c. This is the answer. Integral x plus 1 whole square e power x dx.
Show previous page, sir. Okay, sir.
X e power x plus c. Second one is x square e power x plus c. Third option is x plus 1 e power x plus c. Fourth one, x square plus 1 e power x plus c.
Option 4.
Yes, very good, Anna. So first, let us find the expansion of x plus 1 whole square. You get like this. E power x times x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2ab 2x dx. So here you consider f of x is equal to x square plus 1. Find f dash x. X square plus 1 derivative is 2x. So that means up to this one is f of x. This becomes f dash x. So our answer is e power x into f of x. So e power x times x square plus 1 is constant of integration. Obviously the fourth option.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
If in equals to integral of sine x to the power of n dx, then n times in minus n minus 1 times in minus 2. First one minus sine x to the power of n minus 1. So cos x. Second, cos x to the power of n minus 1 sin x. Third option, sin x to the power of n minus 1 cos x. So fourth one, negative cos x to the power of n minus 1 sin x. So these problems are based on reduction formulae. So reduction formula means we need to recall the reduction formula of sine first. So if you consider let in is equal to integral sine x to the power of n dx, see whose value is equal to sine x to the power of n minus 1 cos x. This is a formula you need to remember, upon n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2, where it can be applied for only n greater than or equal to 2, and n is also a natural number. You remember this condition. This is the formula. Now very simple, we need n multiplied by in and n minus 1 in minus 2. Both sides multiply with n. Then what do you get now? If you multiply both sides with n, you get n in equal to n into first term, n cancels. You get sin x to the power of n minus 1 into cos x plus n multiplied by n minus 1 by n will cancel out. Then we have n minus 1 in minus 2. So now you do one thing. Bring this n minus 1, in minus 2 to the left hand side. So therefore we get like this. N times in minus n minus 1, in minus 2 equals to sin x to the power of n minus 1 into cos x. This function will remain. You check your options now accordingly. Right, got it? What is the answer?
Sir, sine power n minus 1 x, there it should come negative, no sir?
So in the case of cos x to the power of n, you will get negative. You check the notebooks, textbooks. Cos also, okay. Sin x to the power of n, absolutely correct, Nana. Yes, you are correct. Yes. I did mistake here. For cos, you will get positive. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 1 minute. So, right, good, right. Absolutely correct. First
Option 1.
Yes. Okay. Actually, I didn't remember all these things. I will leave them. That's all. Generally, I expected. In the case of cos, you will be getting positive. Am I correct? In the case of
Yes,
tan,
sir.
positive. In the case of cot, negative. In the case of sec, positive. In the case of cosec, negative. Correct? Right. I will remember like that only. So now 82. Integral cosecant x all to the power of 4 dx. Right. First option, cot x plus 1 upon 3 cot cube x plus 2x by 3 plus c. Second option, cot x minus 1 upon 3 cot cube x plus c. Third option, cot x plus 1/3 of cot cube x plus c. Fourth option, negative cot x minus negative 1 by 3 cot cube x plus c. So without reduction formula also this problem can be solved. So this can be written cosecant square x into cosecant square x radar. So in the place of cosecant square x, see 1 plus cot square x we can write. This cosecant square x dx. Now let us suppose t is equal to cot x. dt by dx is equal to minus cosecant square x and dx cross multiply. So minus cosecant square x dx is replaced by dt, or cosecant square x dx is minus dt. This will be integral of 1 plus t square minus dt. Minus common, we have integral dt minus integral of t square dt. This will be minus t cube by 3. So T stands for what? Cot x only. So this is minus cot x minus 1 by 3 cot cube x plus c. So fourth option is the right option. Right?
Show problem number 81, sir. Sir, once show problem number 8. Problem number 82 also, sir.
Problem number
82. Okay, sir.
here T stands for cot x minus cot cube x by 3. So that means fourth option is the right option. '83. If in equals to integral cos x to the power of n dx, then I7 minus cos x to the power of 6 sin x upon 7 equals to first option 6 upon 7 I5, second 6 upon 7 I6, third option 5 upon 8 I5, fourth negative 5 upon 8 I5. So now just write down here reduction formula for cos x to the power of n. So now the in can be written like this: cos x to the power of n sin x, okay, upon n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2, where n must be greater than or equal to 2. We need I7. So I7, n for 7, cos x to the power of 7, sorry, this is n minus 1, cos x to the power of 6 sin x upon 7, plus 7 minus 1 is how much? 6 upon 7, I5. So you bring this side. Therefore, I7 minus cos x to the power of 6 sin x upon 7 is equal to 6 by 7 times I5. This is the answer.